Learn English vocabulary with meaningful sentence. Today we will learn English vocabulary. Number 1, forget. Forget. Justin doesn't want to forget Angel. Justin doesn't want to forget Angel.
I will never forget you. I will never forget you.
Desert. Desert. Julie always expects dessert in her dinner. Julie always expects dessert in her dinner. Hill. Hill. Hill isn't a creature of human being. It creates naturally. Hill isn't a creature of human being. It creates naturally. Profession. Profession. Doctor profession is very respectful job in the world. Doctor profession is very respectful job in the world. Skater. Skater. Any skater plan is a weak decision. Plan should be fixed and target oriented. Any skater plan is a weak decision. Plan should be fixed and target oriented. Communication. Communication. A good communication skill helps a man attain his success. A good communication skill helps a man attain his success. Autobiography. Autobiography. The book My Life is an autobiography of Bill Clinton. The book My Life is an autobiography of Bill Clinton. Harbinger. Harbinger. Its synonym pioneer. Pioneer. Romeo is the harbinger of love and romance in the life of Juliet. Romeo is the harbinger of love and romance in the life of Juliet. BTech. BTech. Its synonym accept. Accept. I betook his silence in the competition. I betook his silence in the competition. Underwater. Underwater. Submarine sails through the underwater. Submarine sails through the underwater. Submarine sails through the underwater. Mart. Mart. It's synonym bazaar or market. He is going to mart to buy some fishes. He is going to mart to buy some fishes. Look after. Look after. Its synonym take care. Its synonym take care. He looks after his old parents. He looks after his old parents. Get into trouble. Get into trouble. Suffer or grave. Its synonym suffer or grave. Trudeau is getting into trouble for the misbehavior of Julie. Trudeau is getting into trouble for the misbehavior of Julie. That is why, that is why, that is why, for this reason, Weaver is ill today. That is why he is absent in the meeting. Beaver is ill today. That is why he is absent in the meeting. Tedious, tedious. Its synonym exhausting, 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 or tiresome. It was a tedious journey in my life. It was a tedious journey in my life. Dogmatic, dogmatic. Barefaced, barefaced. He gives his opinion without trying to be dogmatic. He gives his opinion without trying to be dogmatic. Bend a hand, bend a hand, bend a hand. Its synonym assist, assist. I bend a hand him to complete this task. I bend a hand him to complete this task. Derail, derail. To leave its track accidentally. Train or tram, to leave its track accidentally. Whether it is train or tram, the train was derailed after it collided with a herd of cattle. The train was derailed after it collided with a herd of cattle. The train was derailed after it collided with a herd of cattle. Cowherd, cowherd. Its synonym shepherd, shepherd. He is a full-time cowherd. He is a full-time cowherd. Eccentric, eccentric, eccentric. Capricious. Its synonym capricious. My office boss is very much eccentric. My office boss is very much eccentric.